Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove 9 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Push the locking clip back and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip the device back over and open it up. And gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. Remove 10 3mm screws from the hinges and LCD panel. Gently slide the opener pick underneath the LCD panel to pop it free from any adhesive that might be underneath. Lift the panel up and lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Plug the LCD cable into the new panel. And put the panel back into place on the back cover. Replace the 10 3mm screws back into the hinges and the LCD panel. Replace the bezel and push down to snap it back into place. Plug the battery back into the motherboard and slide the locking clip closed. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 9 6mm screws back into the bottom cover.